Very warm good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are just going to discuss about the question paper pattern. Okay, so for the history 7th class, so we have got a 100 marks question paper, and first question will be fill in the blanks. Okay, for you there will be 10 questions, and each question will be carrying one each mark, so total 10 marks. 10 question, 10 marks. Then that will fill in the blanks. You just go through all the exercise answers, plus from the textbook also some fill in the blanks will be there, not only from the exercises, from the chapter itself there will be some fill in the blanks you need to find out. So you should be very thorough with the what we can say, the chapters. Each chapter you should be very thorough with the chapters, then only you can write fill in the blanks and so on. Not only the exercises but also the chapters, fill in the blanks also. From the chapter anything can come. Okay, any fill in the blanks, we can make any fill in the blanks. Okay, so please just go through the lesson fully. Now next one is second question will be match the following. So just study match the following. Okay, match the following part, that also will be 10 questions. Match the following also will be 10 questions, and you just write down match the following also. Okay, match the following also you just write down. 10 will be there. Okay, 10 questions will be there. Match the following also will be 10. So just follow those things. Okay, match the following also you just go through. Then we have match the following. After that there we have a write true or false. Right, true or false questions. So that is also please see that don't tell that it is not from the exercise. Not only from the, I tell you, not only from the exercise, from the chapter, based on the chapter anything can come. From the within the chapter anything can come. Not only, it is not only from the exercises, but be familiar with the chapter, then only you can write though anything from the chapter. So if suppose it is asked some write true or false from the chapter, sometime it may not be from the exercise. Okay, but it will be from the chapter based questions will be there. So please see that you are familiar with all the answers. That means not only from the exercises, anything can come from the chapter. So that's why I tell you repeatedly, be thorough with the chapter. For that, for example, for fill in the blanks you should know anything, and match the following also. Okay, sometime. Then write true or false. Okay, sometime may not be from the exercise, so please go through those. So that is also write true also will be 10 questions. Each question will be carrying one each mark. Okay, so there isn't any problem, right? There isn't any problem with regard to this. Then there is state the year of the following events. So you need to just write down which are the year. State the year of the following events. You just need to write down the years. Okay, Jahangir ascends the, sorry, for example, if you are writing the Jahangir ascends the throne, see, you just write down, okay, which is the year, this and this year. So be familiar. So okay, beginning of the chapter, it is a timeline is given, that also you study, plus the other important events, so the dates are given to you. So in the textbook, from the textbook also you study. Not only, it doesn't mean that state the year of the following will be only from the timeline. It is not like that. Okay, so from within the chapter, sometimes some other important years also will be given. other than timeline. So please go through those years also, be familiar with those years also, okay, so that you can write easily. So that is what the state the year of the following events. That will be 5 questions will be there, that will be carrying 5 marks each, okay. That is also clear, I hope. Okay, state the year of the following events. Then next one, picture study questions. Next will be the picture study questions, and that will be also 5 mark question. Okay, the picture will be given, based on that picture there will be some questions. So that is also from the text itself. Okay, that can be any picture from the text, from the chapters, any picture you can expect, any picture. So be familiar with all the pictures in the chapters and be ready to write the answers of picture study questions. That is too interesting, as well as you can write down, so there is no problem with regard to this question, right? It's easy, picture study question. So the picture will be given to you, and based on that picture you will be asked certain questions. You need to write down simply, and that is carrying 5 marks, okay. The next one will be answer the following in short. Answer the next question, that is you need to write okay, shortly. So that means that part will be carrying 20 marks. That is a 20 marks question only, okay. That means that is also 10 questions will be there. Each question will be carrying 2 marks each, okay. Each question will be carrying 2 marks each. So that is also simple questions. We need not write very what do we can way. We need not write very bombastically answer. We need not write elaborately. So you are writing sometime 1 or 2 sentence, sometime 1 or 2 words, okay. Very short answer type questions, okay. 2 marks each question, okay. Now we have got the separate questions like answer the following, that you need to write elaborately, explanation should be there, okay. For that I think 5 questions are there. Each question is carrying 5 marks each, okay. Each question carries 5 marks, okay. You see that there is separation will be there. First part will be of history, 5 question will be there, okay. So you need to write down those 5 questions answers, okay. I mean the answers, 5 questions will be there. Then next part is answer the following, that is civics. From civics 3 questions will be there. For civics 3 questions will be there, that will be also carrying 5 marks each, okay. So I hope that you all are familiar with this question pattern. There isn't any doubt with regard to this question pattern, I hope. If there is anything, you can just clear now itself. And please, everybody, please just maintain the copies, okay. So there will be an assessment, copy assessment again, so please be prepared for that, okay. When you are writing the answers to your copies, it is a chance for you to learn. That is a good thing. If it is possible to write down those answers before the exam, it will be a good advantage for you. It will be an advantage for you, because when you are writing, it is an exercise for you to write the exam. It will be easy for you. When you are writing certain answers, the concepts will be more clear for you. So please do that, okay. Writing, you finish writing all the answers to your copies, and you will be submitting it, and the extra mark also will be added for you for that. Okay, so please try to finish those works. Okay, so I think this is clear for you, know. There isn't any doubt with regard to this part. And the question answers, any doubt with regard to these questions, you can just ask. I'm just telling you in advance so that you can start preparing for the exam. Okay, so please, basing on this question pattern, prepare yourself for the exam and write nicely. Okay, I hope that you all might have understood the answers I have given. Now please just go through all the answers again, and if there is any doubt, please let us know. Okay, because see that sometime it is seen that at the last moment some are coming and asking just before the exam, just before the exam we are ready to help you, but please now in advance you check you are having all the answers, and whether you are having any doubt with regard to certain questions, make it clear. Don't wait for the last moment. Okay, that will be okay, that will be difficult for you as well as to the teachers also. So please just go through all the answers once again and check whether there you are having any doubt. Okay.